Welcome to Code Effectively. The topic for today is what is a final keyword in Java. This is an important topic from class 9 to 12th. It could be asked in your theory that what is a final keyword and give the example using a program. So you should know what is a final keyword. So let's start. As the definition says, the final keyword is used to declare constants in Java. The final keyword precedes a declared constant which after initialization cannot be modified. Now let me explain this entire definition in a simple layman language. What does this say? That whenever we use the final keyword in front of any variable or whatever variable that we are using, then that variable is defined as a constant, which means that the value of that variable cannot be changed, because we know that the variable values are changed during the program. Okay, but whenever we define it with the word final, whatever we are using, and if we put the final keyword before that, then it means it is a constant value. It will never change. Now for example, I could just give you a simple for example. Let's say int pi, because we know the value of pi is 3.4. And for example, if some mischievous coder comes and say pi is equals to 3.8, and if we use this value in our program, then our entire mathematical calculations or entire program will go wrong. Now what to do? How to make this pi value constant so that no other mischievous coder can change the value of pi? So for that we have to put the keyword final in front of int pi is equals to 3.4. Now I have put final keyword in front of integer value pi equals to 3.14, and whenever now if the mischievous coder comes again and he or she comes and put the value of pi now equals to 3.8, now it will give a compile time error. It will say that pi is a final or it is a constant. You cannot change the value. So this means now what is the use of final keyword? It has declared the variable as a constant. That it constant means its value can never change. Its value can be never changed in any line of code in the program. It cannot change. Why? Because it is declared final. This is the use of final. Now final keyword can define the constant. Final keyword, now let me tell you, final keyword we can use to define the you can use to define the keywords like integers, or you can just say that with final we can define constant methods. We can define constant variables. As you know, I have already shown you with the help of an example using pi, and also we can define constant class. We can define all these things. We can define a class constant, we can define a variable as well as a method final, that no one else in this world can change their values. Now you will say, how ma'am? Now we will see with the help of an exact program. Now I will use the Eclipse ID. You can use anyone, but I am using Eclipse ID because I am quite familiar to this. So I have made a public class final. You just come and you just know the basic what the final keyword is doing. Don't go on the exact programming. Okay. So now for example, if I declare final because we are declaring final, I is int I or pi. We can take pi because we are using pi. The value of pi is 3.14. Okay. So this is my value of pi. After this, let me be a mischievous coder. I say plus pi. So now you will see, and I will just print out the value now. You will see a error will come that final method, or it will display a error that final value cannot be changed. Let's say pi only. It's pi. Now after this you can see system.out.println. Now let's compile this. You will see a error will be displayed that no, you cannot. Yes, you can see the error here. Let me widen the screen for you. Now you can see this error. You can see exception in main thread, unresolved problem. What is this? Cannot convert. Let's see what is the value. Errors. You can see here. See the errors. You can see the errors are here. What the error says? That you cannot, you can't convert the errors. Okay, so this is the example. Here you can see. Because you can't. Okay, now let's take it double. Instead of double, you can take it double also and see. Now you can't. What is the error it is showing here? You can see the final, you can see here. as the statement see, the final local variable cannot be assigned. It must be blank or cannot be used in a compound assignment. Compound assignment, what does it mean? Compound assignment is this double unary operator, or you can say this is the binary operator, binary increment, and this is pre-increment. You can't see, a error will come. Final local variable pi cannot be assigned. Okay, why? Because it is final. It is itself saying final. You can see. So now this we have used in this. Now if I remove this plus plus pi, let's see what will be the outcome. As you have seen, now the outcome is 3.4. It is working perfectly, but you cannot change the value. So this was using exactly with the key, with a variable. Now let's use this with a method. For this I have to make another class. Let's say a class cat. Okay, and in this class I will say void, let's say display. Okay, and in this display I will just display system.out.println, and I say meow. Okay, after this what will I do? I will make this class, this method public so that it could be accessible to us. And I will make the object cat ob is equals to new cat. Okay, and after this what we will do? After this I will make this class final. I will make this method final. After making this method final, I will make another method. Okay, and now I will make another method in class final. I will make another method in this class final keyword, that is void display. Okay, and void display. What I have to do first, I have to extend this so that there is an inheritance, so that we can connect it. Extends class and void display. Okay, and let us say system.out.println, let's say print ln, and here also I will just say meow meow. Okay, so that we can differentiate which method is running out here. Now you have seen here, you can already see there are red lines, so you can see there is some mistake in this program. So now let's call ob dot, now what we have to do, display. You will see there will be an error. It will say cannot find the class. Okay, so you will see, let's run this, and it can say cannot find or load the main class hello.final key. Why? Because as you can see here, the error has been displaced. Multiple markers at the line, overrides. What it is doing? It is overriding cat. See, you can see here cat. It is overriding here cat, and it is already written cannot override the final method. You cannot. It means you, whatever in the parent class you have made a method which is final, you cannot use that same name or the same method in your subclass. Okay, so this is about the final using as a method. Now we will do something else. We will make this class final. Let's change the make it class final. We have first made the variable final, then we have made the method final. Now we are making the class final. You will see another twist here, and the twist comes out to be, you can see here already there are red lines appearing at the cat, and it is seen what is it is saying remove final. Why? Because the type final cannot be the subclass of the final class, because you have already seen that a final, because we know it is a rule in Java that whenever we declare a class final, that final class can never be inherited. That's why. So it is already the type final keyword, that is the type final key. A subclass cannot be the subclass of the final cat class. So this is how we will do. You can see it will give an error. It will not display the message. You can see it cannot find because it is the final keyword. So let us give in a quick nutshell. Let's revise what we were doing. Let's see. I will just give you the quick summary of this. Whenever you will define the final keyword, so what happens in the method? Whenever we will using it in the variable, it will say you cannot change the value of a final. You cannot change the value. You cannot change the value of the variable when it is declared final. In the method, okay, in the method when you are using inheritance, when you inherit, okay, then the subclass cannot make that same name or cannot override, sorry, it is R, override the method, override the final method. It cannot override the final method of the parent class. Okay, and whenever you use a final class, it cannot be the parent class. It cannot be the parent class. It cannot be the parent class of any class, of any subclass, you can say. Okay, it means that whenever you declare any class final, inheritance won't work in that. Okay, and whenever you declare any method final, then you cannot use that same method in the subclass. And whenever you declare the variable final, you cannot change or increase the value. That's enough for the day. If you like this video, kindly go and subscribe to the Code Effectively channel. Thank you for watching the video.